Some say Ghana and you the word Akwankyere if sorry mu pa na nti be also for wa kamia kwa so bia person we bibi ni ehu so yo sofo eti ekon obafa so be say magics because yen nananom tete no abosoma ne yeso ba you Christian ni amamimi woni ne yenya the word Akwankyere from the word ekwan me kola pass me koteshi e na mayira kwa makofo nungwa kire me kwan e na enya Akwankyere ba osofo ne so nyame akoa enti o ma Akwankyere nyame ma Akwankyere ni nyina ne tie ne e John chapter 14 the verse 6 Yesu se me no kure no ekwan mayira Akwankyere me kwan na osofo na me ho kire me ne Yesu de menya Yesu de menya osofo me yare na me kopa Akwankyere wo yare Haggai chapter can the book of Isaiah chapter 53 the verse 5 one man tampem yenya yaresa enye Yesu upesika Haggai chapter 2 verse 8 one esika njeta ene dia enye Yesu me twema bi de sibi so John chapter 1 verse 3 so wan kwoti asem na anya bibia through Jesus all things was being made wanya Yesu wanya de nyina me kasem bi akere mo Yesu kiso kasem bi kire Samaria ni ba na e John chapter 4 the verse 23 was it ebreni ni edon ne du eso no kwasore fo no omo sorry eja no e wo honhom ani nukuremu in our era we worship God in truth and in spirit tienie ya kasem bi truth and spirit you can't touch you can't see you only believe tienie ba etina okenka Hebrews chapter 1 call 11 the verse 6 was it eso mokonya kuponim gidi wakase eso mokonya kuponim nya object gidi how faith say na yo mo hwehwe na kira kwan wasa kwan no so na nyakopon bo mo God is spirit you can't touch you can't see Acts chapter 17 the verse 23 to 25 everybody say until ade anybody inside you God does not exist in object be made with human hand ade na mo so for apple e ma sticker ese betimi abo ho ban wo ntu nsuanya sa wo akoto so for sticker say mo ho ban ono so for na sticker bo dem ho no e bo ka ono na ma no afa body guys ade na oni offer sticker ne Jeribia function. Mammy, I would chini say what Makola, what a Kanesi and Ton Roman, and that will be a Sifia no be a shop. And you be you, a normal if you are necessary.